I think the city is losing its soul, because all these old things, it's what reflects the culture of a city, the history of the city. When you remove all that from any city, what's old, how the city used to work, and it becomes very cosmopolitan, very like modern, just similar to any other city in the world, it loses its personality, actually. But this is happening, but not everywhere. The thing here, you still find places that they still keep their face, their personality as it was before. Like, for instance, this store is 40 years old, this store. And everyone asks him, how can you still hold with all the competition of the music and all that? And maybe because there are so few left, people are coming more, because you cannot find much anymore places like this. And people are seeking actually everything that's old. They like to go back in history and to see how things were done before. All this change, of course, it's affecting everyone. It's affecting the economy, it's affecting the people, all kind of ethnicities, not only Greeks. It affects everyone who lives here. But it's evolution. I mean, you have to live with it in order to survive.